Assalamu alaikum. I'm Mahjoub from Group 11, NetTech. I'm going to give my reflection about the project. My group members are Batyun, Jean, and Rifki Musiafa. Really, the project honestly was really helpful to me because we transformed the theoretical knowledge that we gain in the classroom to a practical knowledge that in a real case study show us how it's all working. Starting from task one, which was designing the floor plan for the new two-story building of the Faculty of the Computing, which was really interesting and joyful task because it was designing and constructing, drawing the foundation for the all subsequent tasks later. So it was a really interesting task. And then task two, the brain memory analysis. It was also, I think, the most important task because it gave us the idea of the networking analysis, and we had the picture what we will do later in the project. And then in the task 3 we determine and select the networking device required in our design based on the quality and the price. It was not easy task, but we do our researches and it was really interesting also. And then in task 4, and I think task 4 was the most tough task in the project because we didn't have the idea of how to connect all the networking devices in the building, but also we do our researches and we refer to YouTube videos that explaining case studies like that. So it was a challenge for us and we faced many obstacles, but we managed all this. And then we go to task 5, which was IB addressing and subnetting an IB assignation. Honestly, I didn't understand subnetting an IB assignation in the classroom, but when we do it as a group in our project, it turned out very joyful and very interesting, honestly. And then in task 6, we wrap up our project with the conclusion and we added the introduction and all the materials required. That's it. Honestly, the subject is very joyful, and thank you to Dr. Raja for everything.